weak faith enables tragedy.
Where the fuck are you, Flynn?
They woke something.
Oh, is that part of the ancestor tree thing?
I think it's the person we first encountered on Fort Joy thing.
No, it's not.
Oh.
Please, forgive the state of my garb, Kim. I barely escaped the consulate with my life, no thanks to the Order's supposedly elite paladin.
Whoa, yeah, they really fucked this place up. Let's not go in there.
Well, isn't this convivial?
You're looking well, my lady. I know quality when I see it.
Oh no!
What?
I am glad I came with you, Flame. Oh my god, that is terrifying. I don't like this.
What the fuck? Zerg, we gotta go help them. You know, you can't say anything about me now.
How is it resistant to fire that much? It's its lowest resistance. Oh.
Bloom of metal, bloom of momentum, and bloom of might? Oh, it's because it's bloom of metal.
We need to kill the blooms around it.
Which one is the one causing it?
Metal.
Yeah.
What is that thing?
Yeah, welcome to our world.
This one right here is the one you need to kill in order to
That
do
thing
max
looks.
damage to it
This
again.
thing looks amazing, by the way.
I'm sorry, you may,
I do want to ask a question though. Why is the paladin against us?
Because he's being possessed by the armor I'm going after.
Oh.
I know I said this before, but this right here is proof that I'm not the only bad person when it comes to walking dick first and do stuff.
You're not the only Zeus here.
Flame, if you want to throw me up there to the blooms, I can kind of deal with that.
Want me to throw you up to the blooms?
Yes.
So wait, so the only way to damage this damn thing is to destroy the blooms?
No,
it'll make it easier.
It'll make it a hell of a lot easier.
So I'm
and
going.
the bloom of metal is what needs to go first.
That's what I'm going after right now.
Although the bloom of momentum and might really need to go as well.
I'm going to be getting metal
Say
and
no
might.
more. Bloodstorm!
Corrosive flower.
So, I'm in trouble.
Can you permafrost yourself?
And kill myself? Sure.
Oh yeah, you're decaying. Sorry. So Tigo.
Yeah.
If you're not doing anything, you should go watch the ADSF movies.
No.
Why? They're funny.
Yes, you absolutely should. They're hilarious.
No, you should actually watch the ASDF movies.
Whatever.
Yeah, ADS. Yeah, the is ADSF like the Rule 34 version?
Well,
Probably.
Frosty, you've seen that video I sent you. Apparently there's a lot of kinks in there he didn't realize about.
Yeah, yeah.
Well,
I thought you guys were fighting a big thing, not like a. Oh.
I thought you guys were fighting a big thing. Oh.
Can I just point out, I think this is why we need to find a barrel of death fog for me to carry around.
This reason right here is why we killed that ancestor tree. Shit like this.
no, this is a corrupted one.
Well,
Corrupted or
if
not,
there's
they
no
must all die.
ancestor tree, it can't get corrupted. Why are you
This
booing
thing-
me? I'm right.
Why are you booing me? Why are you gay?
Why are you gay? I'm
Why
not.
are you
Why
gay?
are you gay? You are gay.
Who says I'm gay? You are gay.
Decided to open up a window.
Well-
It's nice out. And instantly gets smacked by cold air.
It's like, oh
Slap
yes,
in the face,
delicious
but I
cold
don't-
air.
Can you teleport the horror away? Oh, that works.
Just move it away from the door you need to go. Like, just
Well,
carry
shit.
on.
Hi, Mark.
Ow.
Oh, fuck.
No, my wife! No! Stop it! No!
Well then.
I don't know why, but
He shredded me.
Cody,
I don't like that thing.
I can't fucking reach.
Cody,
What?
help me kill this bastard down here. Or no, you know what? No. You go kill one of the blooms, or the flower that's right in front of you. Josh, you help me kill this bastard over here.
You
I've
mean
got
this
sirens.
corrosive flower?
Yeah, either kill the corrosive flower or one of the many blooms that's in the room.
All the blooms are near my corpse, except
No,
for the
there's
one
one
of
right there.
momentum.
That one, if we kill the momentum one, it will lose out on 2 movement, 3 AP.
Yeah.
It's starting with 7 action points. It can have a max of 6. It starts with 7.
Josh, no clear-minded. Why can't I still reach over there? Oh, is this big fat thing in my way?
That was probably just distance.
No, so this big fat thing in front of me that's blocking my way. I was gonna go chuck a fucking grenade into it.
Well, since I'm dead, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Holy fuck.
How long ago was the last save?
There was an autosave not too long ago.
You bastard! Stop hurting my slug.
Ow, this stupid flower. Stupid flower. I'm angry at it.
I like to point out the thing I looked up to get the coordinates said nothing about this fight.
Yeah. That'll teach you to trust things you read on the internet.
Stupid flower.
Do what?
The only thing it said was
flower.
to defeat the enemies inside and boom, you have the armor. That's all it said.
I mean,
Yeah, defeat the
said how
enemies.
big the
It
enemies
clearly
were.
said enemies, but it did not clearly say
It did
a
not
boss.
mention how big the enemies were or how dangerous they were.
Yeah, it didn't say that there'd be bosses in here, but still, that enemy is pretty badass looking though.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, no, it's pretty badass.
They-
Oh,
this
and Rob,
studio-
guess what? My
yeah.
my stuff came in today.
oh nice.
They're here. And guess what? They gave me a little zombie decal.
Aww.
They gave me a zombie one.
I gotta say, they did an amazing job with the design.
They did.
That's why I'm real excited for Baldur's Gate 3.
Oh, I got Baldur's Gate 3 and oh my god, I love it.
Well, when it comes out, you know what we're doing, sir.
Yeah, it can have up to 4 players.
Well, I think we
You
know.
can have up to 4 players because I already have 4 people in my party.
I think we know what our next
Our next
stream game
playthrough is gonna be.
Yep, our next
It's
stream.
time for some Dungeon and
Oh,
Dragons.
we have a 4th viewer. Hi. Well, oh, never mind.
We're on top. We have a 4th viewer. Hi, 4th. Okay.
That truly was glorious.
They heard me mention Bad Dragon. They just left.
They didn't though. That's the thing.
You didn't actually mention it until just now.
Oh no, we got a
Yeah.
4th. They're back. Hi.
Don't
Well-
say hi, Roth. That scares them away.
Welcome to the
Ross,
welcome to
don't
the
say
screen
hi, just
show. We are currently dying in a horrible blood-fueled death with the trees.
go. And plants, and I hate them all. And they killed my
That
wife.
makes make less sense.
They've killed my wife. I am now very angry.
Hmm.
You guys just look like you're really tired in the middle of the fight, taking a break.
I mean, you
Yeah, you
can't
did.
really blame us.
But I am, so.
God, that thing looks so badass. It looks like a mix between like a Hydralisk and some kind of centaur. No, it looks like an Ultralisk actually.
It took the bottom half of an Ultralisk, but took the entire head of a Hydralisk.
He's dead.
Dropping a few queen bits there, and boom,
Nice.
he's exploded. Oh, Roth, I have to say though,
Yoink.
I love what Bad Dragon has done though. They give you a Halloween styled wrapping.
Oh, nice.
You got pumpkins on it.
You missed
little
me,
ghosts.
bastard.
He did miss
Ow.
that one.
Never mind.
Ah!
Oh, that hurt.
I like Flame just screams out, "Bring it on, you bastard!" Ah! Ah! Ow!
Sorry, Roth.
Ah!
What do you mean? Oh.
Your computer.
If one of you could heal the momentum, it'll
Hey,
start
can you like
hurting
kill
it.
this thing, so I can actually do something?
It's
I
got a
know that
lot
thing's
of
gonna
magical armor.
Nothing's gonna hit. No, nothing's gonna hurt me. I don't know if you have enough magic to get through its armor though.
I don't, but I should do damage through the magic armor. I'm not sure if it'll be enough. Oh, and I didn't do any damage through the armor. That's just... Oh wait, it's effects I do through armor, right? I should have thrown a fireball, that way it would have been on fire.
Oh, that hurt.
Hey, at least you're healing.
I love how I'm the only one whose health hasn't been touched somehow.
You know,
Because
it
you're
was-
way in the back.
it's
You're
weird.
back there.
He targeted me. It must have been doing that because I was near the blooms.
Possibly.
Yeah.
I just want it to stay over there now.
I do too.
It's not going to. You know that.
That is
I wish-
great, damn it.
I wish I had a different skill set equipped right now. because Epidemic of Fire would be spectacular for the, right now. Just necrofire everything.
You like how I'm standing in Necrofire?
Yeah, but like all of the enemies. Also, standing in fire is like a spectacularly helpful thing for me.
Yeah, it
Real
is.
question is, can that thing use ladders?
We're about
I
to
don't-
find out now, aren't we?
I don't want it to.
I
Please
don't want it to either.
Please don't make this a thing by thinking about it too hard.
Thanks about it. Also just using ladder.
That's orcs in a nutshell.
Think.
You know, that actually brings
it,
back to the
Dave.
40k. Frosty, I think you'd either be corn or orcs.
Wow.
Pop
Yeah,
goes
she
the
must have been
corpse.
Goes the Parky.
Hey, that's
How did that thing
electrified
get
blood.
knocked
Hey,
down?
you executed it. No, that's good, because now it can't
Well.
go fast.
No, I know, but how did the corrosive flower get knocked down?
Oh, because I punted it.
Oh, okay, I missed that.
These are the statistics of my new hammer. 25% critical chance, 195% critical damage, plus 3 strength, plus 2 constitution, plus 2 warfare. Set knockdown for 1 turn, 25% chance of speed, and a 50% cleave damage.
Nice.
Fun.
Don't smack it again.
After you kill that thing, would you mind reviving me?
Oh, you motherfucker.
He's
Did
too
you
far
just
away to be able
dodge-
to revive you.
Did you just dodge my hammer?
I think he did.
Did I say you could dodge it? No. Uh-oh.
It doesn't need to use ladders.
Bye, Flame. It's been nice
Taste
knowing
it.
you. You're on
Taste
your own.
Uh-oh. Oh!
Damn.
Wait, no, sir, we can talk about this. Right?
Right, I'll be back in a little bit. I'm gonna go get dinner.
You're dead.
Ah!
You're not dead.
Josh, are you able to revive me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
Close?
concerned that that won't do much, though.
How close can you get me to the blooms?
Actually, I can't get you on their level.
No, well, how close can you get me to at least one of the ladders then?
I don't see ladders for over there.
Oh shit, you're right. Okay, how close? Can you get me here? Or possibly like back here, out of the line of sight of
Yeah,
the corrosive flower.
That would be nice if I could.
How close can you get me to there?
The closest I can get you is there or there.
Okay, stick me here.
Is there? Okay. And I can put you farther back on this, like closer to the wall on the top part, if you want.
Yeah, yeah.
Roth, I'd do something for you, but you were like all the way out of range.
That's fine.
Since all my skills are off cooldown now. Now I just need to survive a turn.
Defeat the enemies inside. Oh, did you not expect them to be like super powerful enemies? My bad.
Oh my
Well.
god, I'm alive with
You're
21
dead.
health.
Oh. Josh?
Yeah, I know. I'm concerned.
Play dead.
Just gonna heal.
As soon as I'm awake.
can, attempt to sneak.
Yeah, my finger's on C. Nope. That's cheating.
Well, I don't think we're strong enough for this one.
Hmm.
Can you get to me?
I'm crippled.
Yeah, he can't move.
So you can't teleport or anything.
Nope.
Can you teleport my corpse?
Teleport. You could probably teleport the spike trunk away from you, and then try to flee.
I'm gonna do something. Yeah, I'm gonna flee. So,
Does haste get rid of crippled?
it does.
Oh, look at that.
Don't have enough AP.
What are you attempting to do?
I want to get to the ladder, climb up, then be able to rest to get everything back.
You don't want to just hit the flee combat button?
Guess I can, yeah. That
Well,
wasn't
now you
what I meant to do.
can.
Yeah.
Well, I couldn't anyway. I used a haste scroll.
Time to start running
Where?
towards the ladder. That's your only escape plan now.
I must go. My people need me. Goodbye.
Yes, fortify menacingly towards me.
Uh-oh. It can't use ladders.
It can't use ladders!
That is good to know.
It's also too big to fit
Goodbye.
up there. We also now know it's too big to fit up there.
God.
Yeah. Huh.
I don't like this, guys. This is bad. Let me swap out some skills.
Go in sneaking.
Yeah.
I can't climb a ladder sneaking, I don't think.
Yes, you can.
I can? Ooh.
Yes.
You might be able to get one of us revived. Nope.
Nope, can't go in sneaking. It brought me out of it.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Fuck off with the crippling.
Hey, poisoned you,
At least
though.
they poisoned you.
I mean, there is that, but I don't actually have poison as a modifier.
It still healed you, though.
Tell me this is going. I don't know what to do now.
Just start killing it, honestly.
Yeah, 'cause that thing can't be up there.
Yeah. Contaminated horror can't reach you.
Yeah, but I think the spike trunk can kill me on its next turn.
So
It didn't do that much to you.
took out his. Well, to be fair, you don't have a lot of physical.
Exactly. It only did like 500 to you. You'll be fine.
Well, if it only did 500, I can make that work because I have Heart of Steel. Do that, I do that. And that. No, not that. That.
Real interesting content for YouTube. We apologize.
Yeah. We weren't expecting
Josh is going
this.
Till I do not die.
Perhaps eventually we'll do another playthrough where we're playing classes that we're a little more knowledgeable about.
Yeah, like I'm good with the ranger.
And I'm good with the rogue.
Hey, you hit it.
Yep.
You tickled it.
You call that a tickle? That was nearly 1,000 damage.
No, the horror only took like 200.
Oh, the horror. Yeah.
Rarg. That thing's fast.
See, you'll be fine. You can kill the spiked trunk.
Certainly hope
Just
so.
start killing them one at a time.
And if you can revive either me or Zerg and put them there, where you are, we can start a chain reaction of resurrection. You'll probably have to stand there.
It shows me I can click on him, and it's in range, but it's telling me target too far. Let me kill this guy first.
Yeah.
So, like,
Yeah, I'm
Go for it.
future planning.
yep. Got it. I'm just gonna move slightly back, more out of the way.
Just trying to put as much distance as you can from that
Yep.
monstrosity.
Even though we already know it can't target him.
He likes to feel safe.
Sure,
What did it-
sure, I guess.
What did it do?
It was targeting something.
Yep. Windows key instead of Alt. One moment. I have no idea what the hell was targeting.
And now you're safe.
Ish, yes. Oh, give me the 1 AP path. Here we go, 1 AP. Spiked horror blocking my view now? What the hell? I can't. Fuck. Oh no, smoke cloud, right. Okay, wait for the smoke to dissipate before I can do anything else, sorry.
Yeah, just power up, really. That's all you can do right now. Skip your turn, really.
Yep, I'm gonna have so many action points.
Just gonna have to skip, unless you can plink it. Just don't click the vines. You do
Yeah,
not want
right.
to go down there. Hey, Zerg!
I am alive.
You're out of combat. Rest.
Yep, rest.
Enemies are nearby.
Oh, of course.
Sneak and go up the ladder. Or not.
It didn't let me go up the ladder.
That's why I said sneak, then go up the ladder.
I'm just gonna back up here and turn. Oh god, we're cheesing this so hard.
We have
we
to.
are.
I know, but like, Hey guys,
You could hit
Kill it. Kill it. Kill it.
trying to.
But be careful, because you can't resurrect me that way. Or flame, because you'll be blocking sight.
Oh, right. Fuck.
Well, it won't be a big deal if you end up going up the ladder.
I think I'll be able to get Wrath. Or no, Wrath, sorry, Flame. If I do
Okay.
this.
Probably, maybe.
And what I can do to make it even easier.
Yeah.
And hit more things.
Yeah. Nice.
And then stay there because it has 1 turn of life left, so.
No, it can hit there.
Yep. I was trying to figure out where it can hit.
Don't stand too close to the edge.
He couldn't go down ladder, so that was the only attack he had left.
They're just nope.
Nope. Raise.
I've got 3 source
And now do I
points.
go back in?
Yeah.
Send me a resurrection scroll before you do that.
Not too late.
Shit.
Alright, well. That works too.
At least this way the stuff can't refresh its armors.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the only good thing.
Yeah, Josh, you should probably just leave, rest, come back, and meteor shower.
Yep.
Fortify all you want, bitch.
Scream at me all you want.
Try and get flame.
I sent myself some of your resurrection scrolls, Cody, while I was up there. So that way, a better chance.
You know, this is a way to get infinite turns, really.
Yes, it is.
It is. It's cheap, but I love it.
It only works because you can really flee there.
Yep.
Hmm.
I still don't know how I survived.
No,
Is it
I
like-
don't either.
It's like,
Wish I could turn
Oh,
you
that's the end of
invisible.
that episode.